we are going to talk about HTML page, web page. Okay. What is the web page? Page which executes inside browser is called web page. And HTML language, that is hypertext markup language, it is used to design web page. Wow. It is used to design
Web
page. Web page executes on server. Answer my question. Web page execute on the server? No, wrong. Web page executes on
browser.
browser, right? And a web page can be created by server side program. Yes, web page can be, tell me, created
Um,
by servlet.
Right.
Servlet can create web page.
yes.
Yes, but servlet cannot execute it. Who will execute it? Browser. Hmm? So let me tell you, if you want to, and every HTML language has some version. I am going to teach you which version of the HTML.
Okay.
HTML5, right? HTML5 is the latest version of the HTML. So if you design any HTML web page, it has a certain format, which I remember. Go up. You said again you don't remember it. Do you think I'm supposed to?
No.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. You just treat me. I'm very new to HTML, and I'm learning from the Google. And you guys are helping me. You are helping me, and I'm helping you.
Everyone.
You people are helping me. Okay, I'm your student. You treat me like this. So, if you want to make a web page, Usha,
Yes.
first thing which you have to mention on top is dog type. This is saying I am using HTML5. Oh my God. First page, first line is saying what? I'm using
HTML5.
5. And in HTML, this language is based on tag, and every tag is an object. So this is opening tag and the closing tag. Every opening tag must have closing tag. Clear? So which is the root element of HTML page, web page, HTML, right? And this HTML contains two children, body and header. In body, you will have actual data which you want to show. In head, you will have metadata, right? Like title or content type and other thing. I'll show you. Everything is clear. So
Yeah.
HTML page is divided into how many parts?
Two
Two.
parts.
Two part, head and body. So this is the title of the page, and here you can write anything, right? H1 and P paragraph. H1 is for heading. These are the HTML tag. So I'm not saying you go and mug it, right? Whatever thing comes on the way, just learn it. Make sense?
Yes.
So this is my HTML page. So tell me, HTML I know already, or I'm learning it? I'm learning it. If you want to make a HTML file, you have to go to the web page folder. Right click on that, Usha, new kar, and here you just choose this HTML file. And what name you want to give to your HTML file? Anything. I just want to give cool.html. Or you can write HTML also. Usha. HTML or HTML, both are same. Nice. I'm going to make hmm?
This STM.
.html or HTML, both are same. I'm very
Oh,
lazy person. That's why
okay.
I cannot write HTML. Okay. If you want, you can write it. See, Usha, tell me, this is the which version of the HTML page?
Is the 5?
5, right? Even if you don't know, right? Somebody would show you and say, "Is it which version of the HTML?" You say HTML5.
Yes.
Okay. Somebody says, "Hey, you don't know. This is HTML4." You say HTML5. Go and learn it. Okay. Don't talk like this. Fine. HTML, body, right? Done.
Mm-hmm.
This is the title of my page. I'm very angry. You can write anything, right?
Yeah. And what is the meta charge?
Very good. I'm very angry. This is the title of my page. Meta, this is called character set. Actually, every pages uses some character encoding mechanism. This is ISO 8859. Similarly, we have other encoding mechanism as well, right? But UTF-8 is the very commonly used and accepted character set. Clear? Character set importance is will come when you want to show your page in different languages. Have you seen any web page which shows in Japanese, Chinese, Spanish, Hindi, English? Have you seen that?
Yes.
So as long as you are using English, this is good. But if you want to show Japanese, Chinese, this will not work. You have
Oh,
to use other encoding character set like IS, like UTF-8, UTF-8, UTF-16. Clear? Make sense?
yes.
And I have a very good idea about it. Okay, no worries. Character set, this kind of concept I came across first time in 2009 when I was working with mainframe operating system. Are you following me? Actually, in this computer science, I am from 2002. It's only 20 years. You're not following me. That's why I'm comfortable. After 20 years, you'll be champ, and even you would have more knowledge than compared to me. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, I like it. The here first, and you just change your thinking. HTML, you think it as an object, right? Head is an object, body is an object. Clear? Object is what? A real entity in the world which you can uniquely identify on the basis of its attribute and behavior. This definition I have given you or not? You would say again, you mugged it, and we cannot mug it. That's correct?
Yes.
Yes. I told you already. For my every question, your answer should be yes, and for your every question, answer will be yes. Simple. Okay, so here I'm going to use a one HTML5 tag that is called header. Oh, nice.
Hint.
Header is one of the tag given from HTML4 or HTML5. If you don't know anything, your answer should be HTML5. Okay. So header is one of the semantic tags, right? I want to make the header, right? And in header, if I want to make it, I want to do beautification, I can use one. This is object, right? This object has one of the attribute in HTML. Every object has one attribute style, and here you can give one of the attribute that is called. Can you see this control space bar background color? I want to make it yellow and semicolon. Usha, head is
Yes.
header is one of the HTML5 tag object. It has attribute style, which is called CSS, Cascade Style Sheet. Okay, and here you can give any text, right? What this? Hello, Cubico incorporation. Got it or you got confused?
Um,
Huh? And here you can give the height of the header. You want to give 30 pixel. If allowed to me, can I run my HTML page? Hello.
yes.
Right click on it, run as, run on server.
Mm,
HTML page you can directly open it and run it. How I'm running it? Right click, run on server. Can you see this? How it's looking?
yeah.
Looking good?
Mm-hmm.
You have to say yes.
Yes.
Okay. And if you want to make it bigger, you can use h2 tag. H2 why? H2 object because you want to make it bigger. Go and refresh it. You know how to refresh the page? Yes.
Yes.
Refresh it. Like try to run it in external browser. What I said. Try to run on
External browser.
external browser. Copy and paste it. Can you see this now?
Yes.
I'm telling you, if you want to make your page very beautiful, Usha, then already we have a framework available in the market that is called Bootstrap.
Bootstrap.
What is a Bootstrap? Bootstrap is one of the framework of CSS and JavaScript which is used to make your application beautiful. So if you allow to me, can I use a Bootstrap feature in my page to make it beautiful? Yep.
Yeah.
I don't know anything, and somebody talk about Bootstrap. If allowed to me, can I Google it?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? So
So
here you can type Bootstrap, and I'm going to use version 4 Bootstrap, and I'm taking help from W3 School. Hello. If you want to use Bootstrap, so you can open anything, right? You can open anywhere, you can click button and all, and you just click on the try yourself. And in order to use Bootstrap, you just copy everything from the header. Why? Because I want to use what?
on the we're working on the header.
Yeah, in header, you just add, all those things from there. For what purpose? The meta, I change it. I'm using UTF-8. You know why? Because I want to support
Yeah.
other character. Give me a second, please. Give me a second. People are with me?
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, we are here.
Can you tell me, you guys, you know what I did? This line, no need to understand. You copy paste blindly in order to support which feature in my web page? Bootstrap.
Strap.
So you can copy it blindly or you need to understand. Copy blindly. You'll understand it slowly. Okay. So this much line will give me the capability in my web page. What capability? Bootstrap capability. So your concern may be how it makes my page beautiful. Go and refresh it and see same page how it looks like. Usha, I
Mm-hmm.
just added those lines, right? Now, if you come here and refresh your page and see how it looks like, same page.
Okay.
Can you see this? See, is look and feel change or not?
Yes.
Change. It is just magic of these lines. Okay. Now, what I want to do is just remove this heading, right? Hey, ask questions if you have. I'm telling you, nobody can teach you like this. Okay. Anybody have any question query as clear to you? Like here, we have one more attribute, font size. You can give it, right? Font size, I want to make 25 px. And after that, you see how it looks like. Can you see this? Like this.
So title means the name of the page.
This one, name of the page. Here, you can see, like here, hey, I'm very angry. Hmm? Title. Anybody have any question query, guys? Any question query you have? If you want to
So
make it bold, right, you can use font weight and you can make it bold. Can you see this? Hello?
yes.
Anybody have any question query regarding this? Anything is not clear in this? Please ask questions. Don't be shy. Ask
It's
silly
clear.
question.
Yeah, it's clear now. So, but I have one question. Like, do we use like Tomcat to create a web page, or like just to generate the
No,
like?
no, 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 no,
That's
no,
only.
no, no. Tomcat is only responsible for running your servlet, and that servlet will give you what kind of response? JSON, XML, HTML, DXT, etc.
So, like, is that server like it will it be already built in server, or like we will create a new server and like generate the
No, no.
response?
Can you come again? Your question is not clear to me.
Like, if like let's say you say like we use Tomcat to respond the request
No, no. Try to
client.
understand. Tomcat is a server where you will make a request, and Tomcat is running many servlet. Suppose Tomcat is having 100 servlet, and every servlet will be mapped with some unique name, right? You think like that. Tomcat is a server which has many servlet, and every servlet will give you different response. Got the idea?
Yes.
So in order to run servlet, you need Tomcat. Somebody is saying, I have only servlet in my hand. Can I run it? No.
No,
What you need?
Tomcat.
Tomcat. And in order to make a request on Tomcat for a particular servlet, you need a browser.
Yeah,
Clear?
yeah, yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm asking. So like, let's take the example of Facebook. So we don't have to like we just need the, the IP address, right?
Yeah. Every Tomcat will be running on some IP and port number, which you must know. And I will show you everything by live. Okay. Right now it is running at my computer. You would say, Nagin, can you show me by deploying it on cloud, like AWS and all? I'll show you. Fine. But
Yes.
the way I'm teaching you, right? If you confuse at any point, right? There is no use of my session. Anybody can teach you. Simple as that. Ask questions, and don't bother about other people. You just be selfish and just think about yourself.
Okay.
So if you allow to me, can I move ahead? I'm
Yes.
actually fan of image. I'm going to show you how to put an image on it. Image, right?
Mhm.
So image, I can go and download it from internet. I'm going to download the student image. Fine. And click on the images, and you can take any image from here and you can put on the website. So image, whatever image you want to download, you can take it, not a big deal. So I'm just taking this image here. So if you want to download it, what you can do, you can right click on it and save images. You know all those things. Yes, you know. If you
Yes.
don't want to save it, you can directly copy the its URL. But I'm just physically copying it. Okay. And after copying it, you can put it in web app. Can you see this here?
Yes.
So if you want to put the image, you can use image tag, image object tag. Are you following me? Like this. And here you can use one of the attribute of it, src. In src, why it's not coming? Give me a second. Like here you put the slash. Okay, that's why it was not coming. I don't know. So you can use src, and here you can give the name of the photo. What is the name of the photo?
Student.
TB.
Okay.
So you can give the path of it. Will you? And after that, go and refresh your web page. What happened? That photo should come. It's clear, or you got confused?
It's clear.
And if you want to align this photo in between, right? You want it should come in between. Then in what Bootstrap we have a feature that is called division tag. Which tag?
D.
Division tag.
Okay.
Use division tag. This is one time thing, right? And here you can use one of the class that is inbuilt in Bootstrap. That class is called container. Why I'm doing it? If you use this object and put this attribute container, you will see your image will be aligned in between. Can you see this?
Um,
Hello? Everything will come in between, right? This is, I'll tell you about, this is called container and all. Fine. And if you want to make a height, no, you can use style, one of the attribute of it, and you can make a height of this photo. How much? 200 pixels. Can you see this? And in that way, if you want to put two images, you can adjust it. If you got it, say I understand. Otherwise I don't understand at all.
I will understand.
Okay.
Nice guy.
Okay. Now I want to make a horizontal line. HR this. What? Can you see this? This line? Hello.
Here we can see.
After it, I want to make a text field. You know text field? Where you can enter the data. Like here, I'm going to use another division tag, right? I'm telling you why. In this division tag, I can use a class and I can use form group. This is used to group the element, right? You don't worry about it. Okay, this is one time thing. And here I just want to use label, right? And I would say enter number. What? Number. So let me show you how it looks like. Can you see this?
Mhm.
And if you want to make it bigger, right? A font and all, so you can use style and you can mention the font size and just mention 18px and see how it looks like. Can you see this? And if you want to make it bold, then you can write font weight and here you can make it bold. This you will learn slowly, okay? And
Mhm.
after that, if you want to make a box, what?
Box.
Box, you can use here input, object, and type equals to text. and every box will be known as some name. Input is an object, type is one of the attribute of it, name is name of the box. You can give the name of the box is num. So after doing this much, let's see how it looks like. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Hello. If you want to make it beautiful, right? Then here you can use class equals to form control. Form control is one of the attribute. This is CSS defined in Bootstrap. Are you following me? So if you make this and see, it's beautiful. Can you see this? Wow. Hello. This is the magic of this class design in this
Bootstrap.
Bootstrap. Yeah. Hello. Done. Now below it, I want to make a nice button. Hey, can you see this? But here we have a lot of buttons, right? So I can use this button, Bootstrap one, copy paste. Can you see this? And
Mm-hmm.
here you want to write compute, right? So let's refresh it and see how your page looks like. So everything I have designed in front of you. Can you see this? Yeah.
Yeah.
And you want to give the gap because it's not looking good. So you can use BR. BR means break the line. See? Done. Anybody have any question query regarding designing? This is called designing.
No, sir.
And here between photo, right? You can put another horizontal line so that you can get little bit gap between this header and all, right? Yep.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know you got this much or not.
Oh, we got it.
Okay. After it, you know, everything, right? This data part, I want to put inside the form tag. What part?
Data.
Data part, right? Which comprises, your button and text field. What is the form element? Form is one of the HTML element which is used to send data from client to server. What is it? Form object is used to send data from
Client to
And
server.
this one.
to server. Here you can write the name in action. You can write the name of the servlet. So what is my servlet? Which servlet you want to call? You want to make new one or you want to call any existing one? Tell me quickly. Pardon?
That's it.
You
The
want
first
to
servlet.
let's call this Peter one. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I will do is we can give the Peter servlet name. Peter. No need to mention the slash. Okay. Like here we have slash, but in when you are calling it, no need to mention it, right? So like here, when you click on the compute button, right, you can make it submit. Submit. Why? This is one of the mistake which you can do, right? When you click on this button, then which servlet will be called?
Peter.
Can I show you by running it?
Yeah.
Now refresh it and click on it, and Peter will be called. Can you see this? Wow. Are you following me?
Yeah.
Hello. How it's possible? Using form tag, right? Inside the form tag, you can have a button. When you click on this button, then this Peter servlet will be called, right? And when this Peter servlet is called, you are sending this num data to whom? Like here, you are sending 5 to whom?
Peter.
Peter servlet, right? And in which attribute? I'm
Num.
sorry, num attribute. So what you can do? This num attribute you can read in a Peter. How? You would say hey request, Usha, hey request, get parameter, right? You are saying what your value is coming. In which box it is coming? What is the box name
Num.
in my
Num.
HTML page?
Num.
Num. You can write here Papa. If you write here Papa, then what you have to do?
Papa.
Same name you have to write over here. And this data will come as a string. What?
String.
It will come as a string. Then you have to convert into integer. String, if you want to convert as an integer, you can use integer class and parse it. It's a static method. So this will give me the number. Say yes. Now I have number in my hand. Yes or no? So what
Yeah.
you want to do with this number? This number I want to multiply 4 times. How many times?
4.
4 times I want to multiply, right? And after that, whatever output is coming, I just want to say, aha, this is Peter. And after that, you want to show the result. What result is? Any guess? Result is no. You can
No.
you can add the result value over here. What result is?
No.
Num.
No.
Is clear to everybody or you got confused?
Clear.
And this you can make it pink color. My job is done. If you allow to me, what I can do, go back and refresh it. If it is not working, you can go and stop your server and rerun it. So here, if I give you 5, what happened? It will give me 625. Can you see this?
Okay.
Okay. So when you are sending this data, my Servlet is doing what? It is taking the input and multiplying it 4 times, and and its result it's sending in the response which is rendering over here. Make sense? If you want to, in Servlet, you cannot make this page beautiful. That is the drawback of it. I will teach you this in next session. So what my plan is, can you try this much yourself by
Yes.
watching my recording?
Yes.
Guys, I'm telling you, I may be, sometime very harsh, okay? But this is the way how you can learn it. There is no other approach of it.